Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Mont-Tremblant Village, known to locals as the Old Village, is located in the scenic Laurentian Mountains of Quebec. This area is loved for its charming atmosphere, nestled beside the serene Lac Mercier. This picturesque lake is popular for swimming in the summer, and a beach at Lac Mercier makes it a great spot to relax or have a family picnic with beautiful mountain views. Mont-Tremblant Village was founded in 1872, with its roots as a small settlement in the wilderness that eventually grew into a lively town known for outdoor recreation and natural beauty. Over the years, Mont-Tremblant expanded, with the village area maintaining a more tranquil, cozy feel compared to the nearby Mont-Tremblant Resort. The whole region is now part of the larger city of Mont-Tremblant, created by merging several smaller municipalities in 2002. This area is now a hub for tourists and locals alike, offering everything from hiking and biking in summer to skiing and snowboarding in winter. The village is unique compared to the resort, focusing more on local culture, history, and lakeside beauty. You'll find plenty of quaint shops, bistros, and cafes here, all with that special Laurentian charm. Nature lovers enjoy hiking trails that wind through the Laurentians, with fantastic views of Mont-Tremblant Mountain, one of the highest peaks in southern Quebec, at 968 meters. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Mont-Tremblant Village, Quebec.
watching!